Is it possible that suffering, instead of being something negative, can be one of the greatest gifts to bring out one's humanity? Can we learn to cultivate patience and be able to move forward in the times of great suffering? When it comes to human suffering and its value in our lives, then there is nobody better than Friedrich Nietzsche to guide us. Unlike many of the philosophers and theologians before him, who regarded pain and suffering as objections to life itself and promised their followers an eternal life free from pain, Nietzsche gave us a whole new idea as how to perceive and make suffering a valuable part of our lives. Nietzsche took seriously the significance of suffering for the concept of a well-lived life, and increasingly as he progressed in his philosophical career, took suffering to be necessary for the highest value to be realized, for the cultivation of excellence. He sharply criticizes those people who wish to abolish suffering. According to him, suffering is the only thing that bestows value upon the world. Without pain and misery, life would be absurd and worthless. To Nietzsche, suffering provides the only test by which a person's worth can be determined. In other words, the person who can endure the greatest suffering is the greatest of men. He famously wrote, "To those human beings who are of any concern to me, I wish suffering, desolation, sickness, ill treatment, indignities. I wish that they should not remain unfamiliar with profound self-contempt, the torture of self-mistrust, the wretchedness of the vanquished. I have no pity for them, because I wish them the only thing that can prove today whether one is worth anything or not, that one endures." According to Nietzsche, suffering is not just something that happens to us. It is bound up in who we are as creatures that grow and change, all becoming and growing. Nietzsche wrote, "All that guarantees the future postulates pain." To take joy in the future means willing the destruction of the present. You cannot really know love without first experiencing loneliness, beauty without ugliness, nor faith without doubt. And these pains need to be preserved within those pleasures in order for the latter to remain meaningful. So, whenever you find yourself on the hard side of life next time, remember these words of Nietzsche. To live is to suffer. To survive is to find some meaning in the suffering. Do subscribe and hit the like button if you liked this video. And don't forget to share your favorite quote from Friedrich Nietzsche in the comment section.